So now we are going to develop the purchase order. We want to create the standard purchase order. So first of all, we want to log in with our applications and create a new purchase order. Sorry, your user is now we can choose our responsibility, PO responsibility. Here we want to create the purchase orders. Navigation is purchase orders, purchase orders. This is the same navigation which will be created for 4 purchase orders. Okay, done. Now it is open and default it is having the buyer and default it is show standard purchase orders, but we have 4: standard, planned, blanket and contract. So initially, first of all, we want to create the standard purchase order. So in that one, here we are going to choose the goods and item is JPP9 item 1. Okay, then here we are going to specify the quantity. The quantity is, suppose 100 quantity. Quantity level is 100 quantity. And yeah. So here now I am giving the price is 10 rupees. Okay. Then here we have the promise date and need by date. So here need by date. At what date we need to require the items in our inventory. So here need by date is 20. The promise date is decided by the supplier. That promise date and need by date will be copied from our quotation. Copied from our quotation. So that is the reason the promise date always greater than the need by date. Need by date is 20th. If in case need by date is missing, then the person is going to, supplier is going to promise the date is 22nd. But we don't have these 2 columns in our PO line solve. Already I told you. Okay. This information is going to, this particular 2 columns is going to stored in PO line location solve. Okay, let us, we are going to checking one by one. And here we are going to tell to the mention to which supplier you want to purchase the item. So we have 3 suppliers. I selected first supplier. Okay. So here it is a UAH currency. Okay, by the reference I want to know. Where it is? Yes. Yeah. Okay. Now we choose the 3 sites. Now I select the first site. Please order lines automatically. In site also it is applicable. I feel if initially we are going to set that, it's not a problem. Okay, everything will be going to changes. It's not error. Okay. Once it is completed, now we are going to check it. The currency, okay, and terms and conditions. Okay, 5 terms, payment terms, and cash on delivery. And we don't have the carriers. Suppose here we are going to find out the carrier. We don't have the carriers. If you define the setup, our carrier that will be appear. Right now we don't have that. Destination process. Supplier note, receiver note. Okay, Next, shipments. So where we are going to receive these items. Okay, then here we are going to receive the items. This is the master inventory organization. Okay, in master inventory organization we receive the items. Now here ship to which locations? JPP 9 locations. Then quantity 100 quantity. Okay, and here this will be indicate, observe this one, this will be indicate the respected direct or standard or inspection required. Two-way means direct, three-way means standard, and four-way means inspection required. Okay, I will let you know. Okay, but just you can keep in our mind. Next we can go to click on distributions. We are going to specify the charge account. So total, what are the levels are we we are giving here? Headers, lines, line locations means shipments and distributions. Now we are going to create the PO. Let us here observe this one, save the records. Once we save this one, then automatically system is generate the PO number. Observe carefully. In RFQ also we have the same. Okay, quotation also we have, because of if we use the RFQ, we cannot possible to we don't have any restrictions to maintain the same number to another one. So every document is having the number is one only. Okay, suppose if you use the RFQ is one and the people does not possible to maintain the one is allocated to the another PO. Why? Because already one is there for RFQ only. Here we are maintaining the one for PO. That is the reason. Now save the records, and here once it is completed, we are going to find out to which tables are reflected for this information. What are the tables? PO tables. PO headers all and PO lines all, PO line locations all, and PO distributions all. Observe carefully. RFQ information and quotation information and PO information all will be going to stored into the same tables without any change. All tables, all information is going to stored into the same tables. While using type lookup code, we are going to understand whether it is a RFQ or quotation or PO. Okay, then here I want to execute the tables. PO headers on, where segment 1 equal to 1. So here what happened? We are getting a lot of records. Then now we are going to give the archive 1 7931. It is our operating unit. So in this operating unit we done 3 transactions. One is RFQ, one is quotation, one is PO. This is the standard PO. So if you go for planned, it is show as a planned. Okay, but here we have a one column is there. That column is going to indicate whether it is a PO or not. The type lookup code doesn't show us anything. Document creation method is PO. It is a PO, right? Then next we are going to find out the lines information, means item information. PO where at right equal to which one? 111312. This is our PO, right? Then so here we are going to understand this respected promise date and need by date. Here we can check it. These 2 columns does not available in this entire table. Okay, that both information is going to stored in PO line locations where line 174241. So in this table we are going to find out the respected promise date and need by date. Okay, in the same manner we are going to understand, find out the PO distributions all. Here we can give the PO line location ID. What is the line location ID? 265387. 265387. Then here we find out the code combination ID. With the reference of that code combination ID, we are going to find out the accounting information while concatenation of these columns. Segment 2. Chart account 5 4. Okay, from GL code combinations. Then here we can give the where code combination ID. The ID is 336056. So this is our chart account. So here we can check it. Shipments and distributions. This is the account is created. Right? Exact accounting information. So now I want to approve our PO. So once it is completed, here we want to approve this. We want to approve this PO and click on. So purchase document has no ship to location. Then here you are giving the ship to. Okay. So here we can give the. So actually the respected suppliers, we didn't specify this ship to location. That is the reason it will be doesn't come. Okay, both information we are going to specify. Ship to location is JPP9 location and bill to location is motors. JPP9 motor legal. Just I want to change that one. Ship to and bill to. Okay. Then now save the records and we'll be going to approve that one. Click on approve. So everything is clear. Now we are going to click on OK. So once it is approved, which column we can find out the status? I'm asking to you which column you can go to find out the status of the PO. Authorization status. Then here you can specify authorization status. Still it is not sure. What is this? Okay, fine. So that is quotation. This is our POs. Okay, then here we have the approved. So because of it is a standard, then here we can specify the and type lookup code equal to standard, right? So this is the way we are going to approach this one. And also we can apply the string function, because of in front end it shows us first one is a capital, last one is a remaining all or. So what is that? Init cap. We apply the init cap. So string functions are regularly we use in our queries. Without string functions we are not develop any queries, right? So this is the way we are going to create the PO and will be find out the backend tables. Clear? This is a standard PO. This is the standard PO.